Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we are not going to be making any sort of flowers. Instead we're going to be making an extremely lovely jubbly cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. It's been on my to-do list for quite some time now to share with you all how I make my Oreo cheesecake using just 5 ingredients. So without further ado, let's dive right in and tell you what you guys need to make this beautiful cheesecake. If you'd like to see more videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that bell button to receive updates whenever I upload a brand new video. So guys, to make this yummy cheesecake, you're going to need 36 Oreos, which equates to 399 grams. You're going to need 90 grams of unsalted butter, 500 grams of cream cheese, 120 grams of icing sugar, 480 milliliters of double cream, and 14 Oreos, which I've just broken down into small little pieces. And I've also got a little plate here with a butter knife. And all we're first going to do is we're going to take the cream out of the Oreos. So for that, just take them apart and just scrape them. Just like that. So go ahead and do that for the remaining 35 Oreos, and then we'll come back and show you what to do next. This is such a messy job taking the cream out of the Oreos, but ta-da, we've done it. So once done, break them down. Whoops. Once you've broken down your biscuits, melt the butter in the microwave and add that in, and grab yourself something to stir it in. And then once that's all mixed, grab yourself a foil tray or a cake tin. This is 9 inches, and add 2/3 of it inside there. And just press that in really firmly. Go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes, 20 minutes until it sets. Whilst that's going into the fridge, we're gonna whip the double cream until thick and fluffy. We're not gonna add any icing sugar to this, we're just gonna whip it as it is. Once done, then whisk your cream cheese and icing sugar and whisk this until well combined. Once done, add your whipping cream in and mix together again. Once mixed in well, grab your 14 Oreos that we just roughly broke down into small pieces and just fold them in. Once folded in, spoon the mixture into your prepared tin. And just using the back of your spoon, just push it down and just even it out. Once you've got it flat as best as you can, top it up with the remaining crumbs from your base. Done that, you can either press it with your spoon, just the back of your spoon, or you can just use your hands and just gently press that in, spreading them out wherever you want them to. grab some Oreos and just break them in half and add them to the edges for decoration. And we're done. Now you want to rest this in the fridge for around 5 hours for it to completely chill before being served. Ta-da! Look at that then. Oh my god, I can't wait to tuck in. It looks absolutely divine. So now this is completely chilled, and all we're gonna do now is just cut around the edge of my foil tray just so I can peel it off. I can't wait. Oh my god. I'm just doing small cuts all around the tray, just so it comes off really, really easily. And just look at that deliciousness. Wow. I'm just gonna put it over on my plate over here. You wanna use one of these when you take it out the foil tray. And I'm just gonna pop this to the side. I can't wait. And just look at that. Wow. Just wow. So I'm just gonna heat my knife up with my blowtorch. Just like that. And now I'm gonna just cut a little piece. Oh my word! Just look at that slice of perfect looking cheesecake. Wow. I love having a thicker base, a thicker biscuit base. Wow, that looks absolutely delicious. Now, the moment I've been waiting for, to finally be able to tuck in. Here goes. Guys, this is absolutely, hands down, the best cheesecake recipe ever. Oh my god. Oh my god, that hit the spot. Honestly, absolutely perfect. The flavor of the Oreos through the biscuits is coming through really, really nicely. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead, guys, try this recipe out. It's absolutely divine. You'll absolutely love it. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. If you've liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please also show your support by subscribing to my channel and pressing that bell icon, as that's when YouTube will let you know that this girl has uploaded a brand new video once again. I'll be back next week with another new tutorial. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. And most importantly, enjoy.